Hi, my name is Christopher and welcome to my workshop. I'm doing a restoration of a Yamaha sr500 engine, and today we will be looking at the cylinder studs and how to remove them. To do this, we'll be using two of the cylinder stud nuts. Begin by screwing both of the nuts on the same cylinder stud. Then you want to tighten the nuts together. You can now use a wrench on the lower nut to unscrew the cylinder stud. When you have removed the cylinder stud, you can untighten the nuts and continue with the next one. The one I showed you now was pretty easy to remove, but most of the times things won't go this easy. The studs are usually a bit more stuck than this one was, and to be able to apply some more force, it could be a good idea to put the cylinder in a vise. I use a towel to protect the cylinder from the jaws of the vise. It's easy to bend the studs when you're applying force, so be careful. I was able to remove all my studs this way, but sometimes they can be even more stuck, and in that case it could be a good idea to apply some heat to the cylinder, either with a heat gun or a torch. That's it for this episode. I will save the last stud for later because I need different nuts for that one. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in part 2 of my engine restoration.